Hello, welcome. Question number 8, WASSCE 2025 February edition. This is a nice simple equation we have to solve. We have x minus 1 divided by 3 minus 2 minus x all divided by 5 equals to 3. This is equation involving a fraction. So the first thing to do is to look out for the LCM. That's not the only way anyway. We can solve the left one separately as a common fraction with a common denominator. Then we cross multiply. You can try that also and share your answer. But I'm going to go with multiplying by the LCM. So we know our LCM is going to be what? 15. Between 3 and what? 5. So I'll multiply through by 15. So 15 multiplying x minus 1 divided by 3. 15 multiplying 2 minus x divided by this 15 times what? 3. You'll be asking why we are introducing the bracket. Here we are having binomial as a numerator. So there should be a bracket so that the 15 will not be multiplied only one of them. If I were to remove this bracket, you can see if I put times here, 15 will multiply only the x, leaving the 1 out there. So now this go here 1, go here 5, go here 1, go here 3. So now we have 5 into bracket x minus 1 minus 3 into bracket 2 minus x equals to 30, 15. So we have 45. Can we expand to remove the bracket? 5 times x, 5x. 5 times 1, 5, but negative. Minus 3 times 2, minus 6. Minus 3 times minus x plus what? 3x equals to 45. What should I do? I need to group like terms. I'm seeing the x already at one side, so there will be no change of sign. Then equals to 45. We are transposing I can put all of them together as negative 11 and make it plus what? 11. You can also transpose them the way they are individually, as in plus 5 plus what? 6. So this becomes 3 plus 5, 8. Bring your x. This is 11 already, so 56, right? So we need to divide both sides by the coefficient, 8. What is that? 56 divided by 8. I think 8, 7 is what? 56. X is going to be what? 7. So if we put the 7 here, I should be having 6 on 3. If I put the 7 here, 2 minus 7, that will have given me minus 5 on 5. That will be 2 plus 1. That will be 3 equals what? 3. So the value of x is actually what? 7 as we have. This is just by the check. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.